How to blur a part of a video in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to blur a part of a video in CapCut. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch CapCut app. Click on Create a project. Then import a video where you wanna add blur part. So click on Import button. Now choose any folder where you have got the video. Now click on Open button and import the particular video. You can easily select this plus button to add to track or simply drag and drop it on your drag material section. Now you need to bring this cursor to the place or part where you want to simply add blur. You can simply split it using the split icon and select the part. After that, you can choose the part and then copy it and paste it on the same section. You can easily mute the copied track and now you need to go to effects section at top of your screen. Click on the search for effect and search blur and press enter on your keyboard. You will get multiple blur video effect. You can simply drag and drop it on your copied section and the blur effect has already been added. Simply you need to right click on it and you can choose the scale for the blur. Or instead, you can go to the mask at top right and here you need to choose the mask option. Here you have got different. So let's choose circle one. Now you can easily adjust this blur and then place it in a part of the video you want to add. And as you can see that we have successfully added a blur effect on a part of a video in CapCut. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.